Hello everyone, I'm Charmel and this is Chasey. We're going to play squishy or toy. Let's start. We have a round 6 to escape that. So round 1. Start.
This.
Okay, start.
Go.
Toy,
Hey, and here.
toy or squishy. I'm going with squishy.
Hey.
Wrong.
Toy.
Toy. And next, Chasey. Wait. Round 2. Wait.
Pick.
Start.
I think toy.
Wrong. It's a squishy. Me next. Wait. Round 3. Pakita mo yung nasa loob.
Wait.
Oh, I'm going
what
to
is-
speak Tagalog.
What is this?
I'm
here?
going with toy.
No, a squishy.
Oh, it's a squishy.
Wait.
Okay. Fourth round. Tell everyone it's round 4.
Four.
Chasey's next.
Okay.
We're going to
no.
put this
Oh,
one. Okay, go.
I think toy.
You got it right.
It's a toy. Yay.
I'm next. Wait. Round 5.
Wait a minute. I cannot decide.
Pakita mo sa kanila.
This what I got. Wait. No. This what I got. Wait, tumitingin ka.
No.
You're sweet.
I'm not cheating.
Okay, here you go. What's inside?
I think it's a toy.
No. It's a... it's a...
Oh, yes, I'm right. Toy.
Oh,
Chasey's next. Chasey's turn.
Hi,
The
guys.
last round, 6.
Last round, guys.
Okay, go.
I have
Wait.
I think...
Go.
Squishy.
Yeah, you
Ah,
got it right.
squishy.
It's a shop.
Yay!
She heard that, what I said to you.
Yes, this is what is squishy.
Okay, last round because you cheated.
No,
Ah.
I not cheated.
Go.
Okay.
You heard what I said.
Okay. It's me again. It's level 7.
Level 7. No? This. Go.
I think toy.
Wrong. It's a squishy.
Oh, it's squishy.
Okay, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you for
Subscribe.
watching. Subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye.